And the harder you push, see, I can even talk it. The harder you push, the more tired you're gonna get.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. For example, I can do this. I'm doing it internally. I can go, I just drop. Yeah, you see, I just, and it just, you're losing your balance there. Yeah. So some people, they don't feel the sensitivity. Some people do it. It's like, I can go, if you resist, I can, they don't know. Their mind is not picking up that they're losing.
Yeah.
They can be like, they weigh more than you, but it's not that you're using. That's what we call it, for use your intent, your E, which is basically what you're doing. And what you're doing is, let's try this. How can I do it? Let's try, yeah. So keep your fingers like this. Oh. When you relax your thumbs, here we go, like this. Now, put your feet together. Now, you already sang, so you just dropped your intent is to move forward, right? But your intention is just this. Now, you just drop. And the reason why I hold you like this is I load your fascia. So if I'm like this, you don't resist this, you just, no, and then move forward. Yeah, something like that. So I'll show you like you grab. So yeah, so even if I do it basics, release. Is there already? So now I'm gonna sink. It's that subtle. So I can go even from the bone marrow for me. Bone marrow. But we can close it for today, bro. Or you want to continue?
No. Yes, I think that's it for today. My legs are.
I picked that. Even doing this, you'll be like, wait, hold on.
Sure, dude. Thank you so much.
The thing is, we can go on.